Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a free online website which will help you make $100 daily. Go to gg2u.org. As you can see on this website, you can earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. Our exciting new rewards program will give you GG2U coins for doing very easy things like trying out new games and answering quick survey questions. You can choose to be paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-gift cards. Our surveys and offer wall offers will usually give you among the best payout rates in the entire industry, a huge 65% to 85%, whereas most of our competitors only pass along 40% to 60% to their members. Sign up now and see for yourself how much more you can earn with GG2U, and we'll give you a $1 sign-up bonus too. Scroll down and you will see frequently asked questions. Read them so that you can understand very well how this website works. Now it's time to create an account so that you can start earning money. As you can see, you will get a $1 sign-up bonus, which is cool. And then you will need to fill your name, email, choose a username, choose a password and your country. Agree to the privacy policy. And at the end, click on Sign Up for GG2U. After that, you will be redirected to this page which says Welcome to GG2U. Click on Continue. And then you will be redirected to your home page. As you can see, I have already my $1 bonus, but I need at least $7 to withdraw money through his website. They have lots of great offers and survey for you, and 100 coins you opt-in equals to $1. In this video, let's choose your survey and click on it. As you can see, you will earn 80 cents per survey. You will now be redirected to this page where you need to answer questions honestly and start earning money from gg2u.org. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.